Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 24th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World's first carbon fiber high-speed train was unveiled in. Answer is China. China has built the world's first passenger train made from carbon fiber, a material that makes it much lighter and more energy efficient than conventional trains. The metro train known as Cetrovo 1.0 or the Carbon Star Rapid Transit was unveiled in Qingdao on 17th July. It is planned that the carbon fiber train will reach speeds of up to 87 miles per hour and use 7% less energy than regular steel trains. Question number 2. Charaideo Madam from which state was nominated for UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer is Assam. Charaideo Madam from Assam has been nominated to become Northeast India's first UNESCO World Heritage Site in the cultural category. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced this nomination at the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee, held from July 21 to 31 in New Delhi. If accepted, Charaideo Madam will be India's 43rd World Heritage Site, joining Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park, which are listed under the natural category. Question number 3. Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary has become the 8th tiger reserve of. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh State Wildlife Board has approved the proposal to declare Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary as the 8th tiger reserve of the state. Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary is located on the outskirts of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The sanctuary has a total of 3,123 wild animals, including 56 tigers and 70 leopards. The sanctuary is home to Bhimbetka, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 4. Who will be honored with Olympic Order by the International Olympic Committee, IOC? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. The International Olympic Committee, IOC, has honored Abhinav Bindra, India's first individual Olympic gold medalist, with the prestigious Olympic Order. This recognition will be formally presented during the 142nd IOC session in Paris on 10 August 2024, a day before the closing of the Paris Olympics. Question number 5. Who has become India's highest T20I run getter? Answer is Harmanpreet Kaur. Harmanpreet Kaur has now become the top run scorer in women's T20I cricket for India, overtaking Smriti Mandhana. This milestone was achieved during India's Women's Asia Cup T20 match against the UAE in Dambala on 21 July. Harmanpreet's T20I total now stands at 3,415 runs from 171 matches, with an average of 28.22 and a strike rate of 107.35. She currently leads her deputy by 37 runs. Question number 6. Who become first women to score a century in the T20 Asia Cricket Cup? Answer is Chamari Atpattu. Chamari Atpattu made history after she became the first batter to score 100 in the history of the Women's Asia Cup. The Sri Lankan skipper achieved the feat in the match against Malaysia by 114 runs on 22 July at the Rangiri Dambala International Stadium. Atpattu is currently 7th in the list of leading run scorers in women's T20s after Suzie Bates, Harmanpreet Kaur, Meg Lanning, Smriti Mandhana, Stephanie Taylor and Sophie Devine. Question number 7. who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Federal Bank? Answer is Krishnan Venkat Subramanian. The Kochi-based private sector bank, Federal Bank, has announced the appointment of Krishnan Venkat Subramanian as the new Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of the bank. He will succeed Shyam Srinivasan, the longest-serving Managing Director and CEO of the bank. Shyam Srinivasan took over as the bank's MD and CEO in 2010. Question number 8. Who has been elected as the President of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICMAI? Answer is Bibhuti Bhushan Nayak. Bibhuti Bhushan Nayak has been elected unanimously as the new President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, ICMAI, for the 2024-25 period. He will succeed Ashwin Dalwadi, who was the President for the 2023-24 period. TCA Srinivasa Prasad has been elected as the Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India for 2024-25. Question number 9. Who has become the 53rd country to join UN Water Convention? Answer is Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast became the 53rd party to the 1992 United Nations UN Water Convention, which is also known as the Convention on the Protection and Use of Transboundary Watercourses and International Lakes. With this, Ivory Coast became the 10th African country to do so. The United Nations Water Convention was adopted in Finland on 17 March 1992, but it came into force on 9 October 1996. Question number 10. Who has been nominated for the prestigious Sri Dasharathi Krishnamacharya Award for 2024? Answer is Jukanti Jagannatham. Telangana government has nominated eminent writer and poet Jukanti Jagannatham for the prestigious Sri Dasharathi Krishnamacharya Award for 2024. The award, comprising 1 lakh rupees in cash and a memento, will be presented to Mr. Jagannatham on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dasharathi Krishnamacharya. Question number 11. Who has received the prestigious 2024 International Excellence Award? Answer is Arpit Jagdish Kabra. CA Arpit Jagdish Kabra, originally from Ajmer, Rajasthan, has received the prestigious International Excellence Award 2024 for his significant contributions through forensic auditing. At a young age, Arpit Kabra took on the role of Chairman of the Western India Regional Council, work of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. Question number 12. Indian player PR Srijesh has announced his retirement from which sport? Answer is hockey. Indian hockey goalkeeper PR Srijesh, a pivotal figure in the sport, has announced that he will retire from international hockey following the Paris Olympics 2024. Srijesh, who debuted internationally in 2006, captained the team in Rio 2016 and played a key role in securing a bronze medal at Tokyo 2021. He was awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna in 2021 and the Padma Shri in 2017. Question number 13. How much rupees has BCCI contributed for the campaign of Paris Olympics? Answer is 8.5 crores rupees. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has decided to give 8.5 crore rupees to the Indian Olympic Association, IOA. As many as 117 athletes will represent India at the Paris Olympics. There will also be 140 strong support staff, making it a 257-member contingent. The great sports event Paris Olympics 2024 is starting from 26 July and will conclude on 11th August. Question number 14. Who will be honored with the Umman Chandi Public Servant Award recently? Answer is Rahul Gandhi. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been chosen for the first Umman Chandi Public Servant Award instituted in memory of the party veteran and former Kerala Chief Minister, late Umman Chandi. The honour comprises a purse of ₹1 lakh and a sculpture designed by renowned artist and filmmaker Nemom Pushparaj. The Umman Chandi Foundation announced the award on 21st July, 3 days after the first death anniversary of the leader. Question number 15. National Flag Adoption Day is observed every year on. Answer is 22nd July. National Flag Adoption Day is annually observed across India on 22nd July to commemorate the adoption of the tricolour, India's national flag, by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. The first Indian flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah, a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh. Indian national flag is known as the Tiranga or tricolour, which symbolizes India's independence, sovereignty, and unity. Question number 16. National Income Tax Day is observed every year on. Answer is 24th July. The Income Tax Department observes 24th July every year as Income Tax Day or Aikar Divas to commemorate the introduction of provision of income tax in India. On 24th July 1860, Sir James Wilson introduced income tax for the first time in India. Aikar Divas was celebrated for the first time on 24th July 2010 to mark 150 years of income tax in India. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.